Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to enable two-factor authentication on BitPay account. So let's go ahead and do it right away. Launch open your web browser and in the URL box type in bitpay.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official site for BitPay. Go ahead and log into your account like you normally do and make sure to get inside the main homepage for BitPay. Once you're in this page, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right hand corner and in the pop-up click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, click the Security tab from the left hand side menu. Now, right where it says Two-Factor Authentication, click on the Enable button. In order to enable two-factor authentication, you'll first need to get the Authenticator application on your device. You can get the application downloaded on your PC or you can simply download it on your mobile device. Once you have your application installed, you'll need to go ahead and scan this QR code via the Google Authenticator app, which will then be able to add your BitPay account. The application will simply generate 6-digit verification code for BitPay, which you'll need to type it into these text boxes at the bottom. Simply go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Google Authenticator. Once you find this application, make sure to download it on your device and then launch it open. You'll also need to enter your Google account's credentials to access Google Authenticator. After you end up in this main home page, simply tap the plus button at the bottom right, which will then open up two options. From the two options, tap on Scan a QR code and simply place the scanner right where your QR code appears on the screen, just like that. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add BitPay application inside Google Authenticator. As you can see that a 6-digit code has now been generated right where it says BitPay. You'll now need to enter this 6-digit code inside your verification code text box. Enter the verification code that is generated by your Google Authenticator app for BitPay and then click on Enable. Soon after you are done, you will be able to enable two-factor authentication for BitPay accounts. Here you can also set up a backup code. In the event that you cannot access your Authenticator device, you can use the backup codes to sign in. If you wish to generate the backup codes, click on this Generate Backup Codes button. If you wish to do it later, I will do this later. Once you do that, you'll be able to enable the two-factor authentication for BitPay. Now, whenever you are trying to log into your BitPay account, you'll need to enter the two-factor authentication code or your backup codes every time you log in. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.